Alright, my favorite too. It's a boy Vussy Mags. Yo, bags under my eyes, like I ain't been sleeping. What's going on? Alright, check this out, man. It's a boy Vussy Mags. Welcome back to Vussy Mags UTZ. You feel me? Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. You feel? So it's a boy Vussy Mags. You already know. In today's video, man, I want to share with you guys an analysis of NAS100 and maybe US30 if we have enough time, because I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to make the video too long. 8 minutes, 10 minutes is all good. That's what I'm trying to do today for me. So if we can make time, we'll go to US30, but we're gonna start with the US100, NAS100. You feel me? Let's go into it. Before we go to the NAS100 thing today, I have something I want to tell you. Right, I want to announce something in this very video. You understand? So this is the special announcement. The most important announcement is we are now moving with vault markets. Understand? We're moving with vault markets. Vault markets is the plug, and you feel me? And I'm not just saying this because saying I just made a spontaneous decision or anything like that. I've actually been, I've actually been using the broker behind the scenes, right? And just because I'm saying I'm with the vault markets now, it doesn't mean I'm gonna talk shit about any other broker or something like that. It's just my preference. You understand? I prefer to roll with something that works for me. And when something works for me, I'm like your plug. You understand? I'm your plug. So I'm just plugging y'all, man. We all, as Supreme Traders, we already have a link and everything, so I can see what you are doing. But the link is gonna be in the pinned comment. If you want to sign up, use the link to sign up with Vault Markets, and also it's gonna be in my public Supreme Traders channel. That's the one you want to be in. You feel me? And I'm gonna be doing something in the future on the public Telegram. I can't say it just yet. You feel me? But yeah, if you guys want to know in detail what made me take the switch from the other broker I was using to Vault Markets now, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video where I disclose everything that happened. But I might just say it like this: it had to do with withdrawals. That was my problem, and I was like, if I'm suffering to operate the withdrawals like this, then imagine the people who are under me now, what they must be going through. You understand? So I just decided, nah, I'm gonna dip. You feel me? So use my link, sign up. So in cases like this where I go through shit, I know you guys will also be going through shit. So now we can operate it nicely. But if you want me to make a video, like I said, let me know. Alright, let's go. Before we decide to operate with the charts now, I'm going to show you guys what's going on today. We're holding NAS100. For me, holding NAS100. It was a little bit tricky early in the morning. It's what's today? Today is a Wednesday, right? Yeah, it was a little bit tricky in the morning, but yeah, that's why I'm doing this analysis, so we can all catch up and get to the same kind of level and understanding of what to expect. You dig? I bet. So I'm gonna look for the public Telegram real quick, because I made a video on Monday, I think, or was it Sunday, and I said, saying the VIP signals are back, but this time they're on a special, you feel me? But they're gonna be closed. This is the last week. I told you guys in the other video I uploaded that it's only 5 days left until Friday. So in this one is like 2 days left. This thing is closing on Friday. So say USD NAS100 signals $500, and for the 3 months is gonna be a K. For 6 months 1.5. The dollar conversions are already there, man. These things are gonna be closing on Friday, so this is the last chance for me. So let's go to the charts. As we're operating with the charts now, the charts way, you understand. I'm gonna put my face just there in the corner. I'm not used to being down. Nigga is always on top, but I guess for the sake of y'all and showing y'all love or something like that, we're gonna do like this. Hey. Okay, so we're on the NAS100. I want to show you guys something that's on the weekly time frame. All right, something that's on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, if we can just operate like this, we can see. Can you guys agree that I don't know if you guys know a head and shoulder pattern, you feel me? But basically a head and shoulder pattern let's just look it up real quick so you can understand head and shoulders pattern. So head and shoulder pattern is something like this. You understand? But can I zoom in? Okay, yeah, someone like this. The pattern on my right hand side, guys, right? So it's a reversal pattern, and what this means, right, is usually you see this pattern when the price of a market is about to change the direction. So if this market was moving up like this and it forms a formation like this, usually it means it's gonna reverse and start doing what? Start pushing down, because like initially the price was going up. So this thing basically reversal, I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying right now. A reversal is a pattern where it changes the trend of the market. If it was an uptrend, the area where now the trend starts to lose strength, and then now it makes a turning point. That's where you get to see these reversal patterns as such, right? So if I can just show you guys some instances of it, like they are saying, okay, I'm looking for a clear one, man. I'm not the upside down one, but something like this. So a head and shoulder pattern consists of a head, as you can see, a left shoulder and a right shoulder, and a neckline. So the neckline is where you can draw a trend line where it connects with the lows that form between the left shoulder and the right shoulder. The lows that form in between is where we call it the neckline. You understand? So back to what we're analyzing now. We can say on the weekly, right? On the weekly, or let's go to the daily. It's fine. Let's operate the daily, because now you understand, like the price was pushing up. It's been in an uptrend, as you can see, and then the market got there to this level, right? It made a left shoulder, went up, made a high thing ahead, then it came down. So our neckline is somewhere here, and then this is our thing. Our right shoulder is just forming now, but this one you can see it nicely when we go to the daily time frame, right? Hey man, take your ass down again for me. Alright, sharp. So we're gonna do somewhat like this, something like this now. Okay. So now I'm looking for the circle. Can I find the circle? Yo, I've never done this circle thing. On TradingView, but it's been done and did it. So you see, we have our head there. We have our thing. We have our left shoulder, right? We have our left shoulder. That's a big ass head, and then we have our thing. We have our right shoulder, right? You understand? So it's the left shoulder, head, and the thing. But now we need a neckline. Now let's see how we can operate this one now, right? So if I'm not mistaken, it must be able to connect the perfect. Oh my god, we're on fire. Okay, let me move myself, you feel me? We're making contact though. Yeah, you see like this now, guys. So it basically means hurry. So you see from there, I'm trying to get an arrow, but I can't get it. But you understand what I'm saying? It's fine. Let's just remove it. But you see from there to there, we have our neckline, and then we have what? We have our head, we have our left shoulder and our right shoulder. So the price now where it's gonna go, as you can see, it just rejected this area twice. All right, it rejected this area twice. It formed the thing here, because y'all need to understand what's going on, right? It formed the high there. I'm just gonna remove this thing now, this circle. I'm kind of tired of it now, because I want to highlight to you what's going on. You see, so now the price where it's supposed to come, at least to make contact, is where it's down here. So we know for now. Now I'm gonna be looking only to sell at the moment, because like I'm saying, if it goes to the H4, you're gonna see that NAS previously made this level on the right shoulder, right? Remember, this is the right shoulder, you feel me? So I'm just gonna put it there. So guys, this was the peak on the right shoulder. This was the peak. The price came to make this high, as you can see, and you see the price couldn't make it back to that zone. So that tells us that the market buyers for now is just pushing downwards. You understand? So even if you look at it back on the daily, you will see that the price shied away from where you're supposed to actually come back and make contact. So now what we're looking for is just selling. And if I can go back to H4, I want to see if we can find any more patterns that will suggest the entry or something like that. There's only areas where it can retest. Where are those areas? There's this psychological areas. I'm not really seeing an area now where I can like say this is gonna be a strong zone or a strong level as such. But what I can tell you is from tomorrow, I'm sure we're gonna see a little bit of a retracement as such. And on the pullback, that's where now we should be looking to enter, right? That's where now we should be looking to enter. But this whole thing now is just a selling. It's a sell. It's a sell. Just look to sell right now. But if the market so decides to actually go up, then it is what it is. But me now, what I'm seeing, and you can let me know what you guys are seeing on your own charts and stuff like that. Me, I'm just ready to sell, and tomorrow we enter in sales. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. So let's see what's going on with the US30. So remember now we're on the H4, ne? I'm just trying to show you guys something, right? We're on the H4 time frame, one US30. This is the first thing we see. So US30 is selling, and how do I know that US30 is selling? Just by looking at it, because the same thing I was showing you guys on that chart, on the NAS100 chart on the daily time frame, it's the same thing I can show you on the H4 US30. You understand? You can see now, what do we have? H4. We have our left shoulder, we have our head, we have our right shoulder, head and shoulders pattern. And what was the price doing before that? The price before that was, you know what I'm saying, it was a uptrend, right? Meaning the price was going higher highs and higher lows. This is basic stuff. Higher highs and higher lows. But where the price is at right now, you see what happened at the peak. At the peak of this, the price makes a left shoulder, goes to make a high, and then the next high that follows is a lower one, which gives us a perfect formation of a head and shoulders, right? So now if we draw our neckline, we're gonna draw it somewhere here like this. You understand? Let's see if we can move it. You see now, this is our neckline. So if we go to 16 minutes, which is our H1, in the house. Let me just make it full screen. Yeah, you see now. So this is where we're making contact. We're making contact here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we broke out, and then we came back to retest 6, and then now the price is dropping. So I'm also looking for selling or sells in US30. But the thing is now on the US30, this thing is on a smaller time frame. It's on the H4, but on the NAS, it's on the daily and the weekly. So obviously it's gonna take longer on the NAS100 to play out the whole move than it is on US30 when it's just on the H4, right? So if you want these setups, I'm gonna send them to our public Telegram. You feel me? These setups are gonna be sent to our public Telegram. Right, the link is in the pinned comment. Go and, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to our public Telegram. From now on, I'm gonna try to bring back analysis every week. That's if you guys want to see them. And I'm gonna send the setups to the public channel. You feel me? Might do a little free signals thing, but not now. You feel me? But if you wanna be there for that, if we can get to 6,200? I don't even know how many subscribers we have on our public Telegram, but if we can get to, wait, let me just check. Okay, we on 5,900 subscribers on our public Telegram. If we get to 6,300 or 6,200, we might make something happen. We might bring back signals on the public thing, like a free channel for signals. If you guys want that, just go and subscribe to that. If we get to 6,002 or 3, I'm gonna make it happen. You feel me? That's my promise to you. So it's your boy vussanie. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to operate with the vibes and analyze the charts. You feel me? More life. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.